Tired of manually sending completed Docusign documents after everyone's signed? Let's automate that process and save you valuable time. First, log into your Docusign account and navigate to the Settings menu, typically found by clicking on your profile picture or initials in the upper right corner. In the Settings menu, look for Branding, click on it. This is where we can customize aspects of the Docusign experience, including post-signing redirection. Now, select the specific brand you want to edit. If you only have one default brand, it will be selected for you. Click on it to open its settings. Scroll down until you find a section labeled something like Post-Signing Redirect or Completion Options. The exact wording might vary slightly depending on your Docusign plan. Here, you'll see a field where you can enter a URL. This is where you'll paste the link you want signers to be redirected to after they've signed and completed the document. The best practice is to use a link to access the completed document within Docusign. You can typically find this link within the envelope details. Once you've entered the URL, make sure to save or apply the changes to your brand. It is usually a button at the bottom of the page. Docusign should then display a confirmation message stating that the changes have been saved successfully. And that's it. Now, after all parties have signed a document associated with this brand, they'll automatically be redirected to the link you specified, granting them immediate access to the finalized agreement.